Crafting tips you certainly didn't know. Fill a bag with water. Place it in front of the fire and hold it up to the sunlight. You can light up without a match. Fill a bag with water. Tie it to the tree. Tie some holes with bamboo sticks. You can also bathe in the wild. Melt the soap. Use a syringe to inject into the mold. Cover with tinfoil. Carry it around with you. Take one out. It's easy to wash your hands anytime and anywhere. The sun is blinding when camping out. Tie a rope to 2 trees. Cover with a blanket. A simple tent is made. Squeeze toothpaste onto blotting paper. Sprinkle evenly with baking soda. Set and put in a jar. In the field, take one out when you brush your teeth. Very handy. There is no place to stay in the wilderness. Gather some cling film. Wrap it around a large tree. To make a house shape, you can sleep inside. It's also a shelter from the wind and rain. Apply lipstick to a cotton pad. Take it with you on trips. It's easy to light when you put it on the fire. Cut off the top of the potato. Hollow out the middle. Insert a few matches. Pour in cooking oil. Set the matches on fire. Makes a great light. Lasts longer than a candle.